In social networks, there's a number called Dunbar's number. And it says that there's a finite number of people in your social circle that you can develop real relationships and own real relationships with. I think there's a corollary for customer service and call center, that there's a finite number of interactions that you can have in a day. So what I saw in really large organizations were, at some point, the people became numbers. They became account numbers, they became ticket numbers, they became email addresses and the like. And one of the challenges was figuring out how at that scale to build real, meaningful relationships. There are changes in culture which are allowing us to actually deliver relationships at scale for the first time. And a lot of it has to do with technology that can be configured really quickly, apps that can be installed really quickly, and Zendesk is a beautiful example of that. We're seeing companies start to give simple apps to their most expert users. The talent always lies in different places, but one thing in common is what we're seeing is by giving these apps to expert users, these companies are building these vast support networks that extend well beyond the boundaries of their support center, that allow them to build relationships at scale, engage at scale, and connect with customers in new ways. When you pull in the truly talented folks in your network, all of a sudden you get the sum of all product knowledge. We're seeing them unlock ways of connecting with customers that were impossible before. So the impact of these networks, first and foremost, is alleviating the pressures. I don't know if any of these factors resonate. Your teams are constantly dealing with first call resolution, NPS, and CSAT, and all the things that make it almost impossible for us to think, because we're just trying to survive the day-to-day. These networks, when architected and plugged into the support infrastructure, are proving very good at delivering results. But what makes it possible to deliver these results is when an expert is answering another customer's question. The expert may be answering 5 questions a day, helping 6, 7, 8. And whereas we think it's impossible to delight on the order of 60, 80, or 100, or at least very challenging from a human perspective, we're discovering that when it's a passionate expert engaging with another customer, when they want to, the ability to engage, build relationships, and deliver empathy at scale is there for the first time.